Welcome back, and I'll be showing you how to uninstall apps on your Android phone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using pure stock Android version 14 running on a Google Pixel. But you can use these similar steps on other Android phones as well. So what you want to do is go to the apps screen where you can see all your apps and find the app you want to uninstall. So let me, for instance, pick this one. If I want to uninstall this app, all I have to do is long press on it, and then I'll see the app info page, or for some Android phones, there's going to be an uninstall button. But if you don't see an uninstall button and you're only seeing app info, you can go into app info, and that's going to open the app info page where you can find the uninstall button. So you can tap on that and then confirm by pressing OK, and that app has been installed. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.